Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back on this Wednesday. Here's a look at the Dakota Magic Casino sky cam in Hankinson, North Dakota. It's gray, it's foggy, it's dreary, it's windy, and this in southeastern North Dakota along the North Dakota-South Dakota border, that's where conditions will be deteriorating the fastest here in just a couple of hours, and it'll worsen region-wide tomorrow and into Friday. We're going to have an ice storm in some areas, blizzard in some areas, winter storm in other areas. So there is a lot to go over. Let's get right into the timing of this storm. So through this evening, we'll start to see increasing areas of some light rain and some light freezing drizzle, but the ice chance will be increasing by tonight. This is midnight. Look at this area in pink. That's going to be freezing rain and ice accumulation. Meanwhile, in parts of southern Minnesota, strong thunderstorms. That will likely stay out of our viewing area, but a rumble of thunder or two is not out of the question. Through the overnight hours, the area of freezing rain expands through the Central Valley and into parts of northern Minnesota, Fosston, Bemidji, even up towards Baudette. Rain continues in Lakes Country and points to the south and east, and heavy snow begins to develop overnight in the Northern Valley, northern Minnesota, stretching all the way back out into the western Dakotas. So by drive time, some areas already dealing with some very tricky travel conditions. Be sure to check our website for any cancellations or delays. By lunchtime, we're going to see some of the areas of heaviest snow in parts of east central North Dakota through the James River Valley, Lisbon, Valley City up towards Grand Forks, and combined with strong gusty winds over 50 miles an hour, there's a blizzard warning in those areas. Meanwhile, ice will continue in parts of northwestern Minnesota, some areas of rain, but through the day with falling temperatures, all of us are going to see that transition to snow. But by evening, the heaviest of the snow begins to taper off a bit, but your evening drive is not going to be fun. You want to check back for the very latest on any road closures as well for tomorrow afternoon. If you must travel, might be a good idea to reconsider your travel plans. Temperatures by drive time in your afternoon will be chilly, teens and 20s, strong winds, widespread snow, and heavy snow in some areas. That continues right on into Thursday night and beginning to taper off into Friday morning. But Friday morning's drive is still going to be messy with slush, with ice, with heavy snow, with blowing snow from continued strong northerly winds. Another look at that icing potential. This is by tomorrow morning. So as you're waking up, we'll already see areas of ice, a couple of tenths, maybe even over a half an inch. Some areas will see more than half an inch of ice accumulation, especially along the North Dakota-South Dakota border and point south. That's where an ice storm warning is in effect. Meanwhile, the latest snowfall potential, a few inches already by the morning commute, but it continues to ramp up through the afternoon and into the evening. A widespread area here in white of 8 to 15 inches, isolated areas of 18 plus. We could see some places up to 2 feet of snow. Here in Fargo, we're on the edge there of 5 to 9 inches. Higher accumulations in northern and western Cass County, lesser amounts in southern and eastern Cass County. That's how close that cutoff is going to be, and amounts quickly ramp down as you head into Lakes Country and even north and west of Grand Forks. So take a good look at the snowfall. Make sure you have the shovel, make sure you have the snow blower ready and your winter survival kit prepared. Got mine prepared this afternoon, tossed it in my car so it's good to go, but here's a few things that you might want to include in there. Temperatures right now, 20s and 30s, and well, this is about the warmest we're going to be for the next week or so. Temperatures will continue to fall, and then we are stuck in a cold spell a little bit after the storm moves out.
So enjoy these next couple hours, basically.
Yeah, a couple hours. Make your preparations.
Definitely. Summer, thank you so much. Well, we have